在镜头来国外，咱来去英国伦敦，这有一场真特别的服装秀，马到唔是人是猫咪，嘛请6000外的爱猫的人士去遐斗闹热。
饲主抱着家己的猫仔行上舞台，下面众是惊呼声连连，提起手机一直翕，这是面貌是家猫品种中体型上大的猫仔。英国伦敦的爱猫世界时装秀拜6吸引6000多人来看猫仔的多变风采。
Yeah, so it's London Fashion Week obviously this week, and we have our own catwalk here, and our models are way cuter. Sorry, than some of their models, you know, but I think a little less cooperative, right?
美色府伫美国佛罗里达甲英国伦敦成立爱鸟世界，宗旨是推广对猫的热爱。伊举办的爱鸟流行秀，捌伫日本、加拿大、哥伦比亚甲美国各国城市举办。猫仔主人拢抱着家己的宝贝，甲其他爱鸟人士交流。这只身上皮毛无整齐的龙鸟，也红叫做龙人鸟，有像狗仔的个性，比其他家鸟对主人也较忠心。
The Lycoi is the werewolf cat. Lycos means werewolf in Greek. They're like wolves because they've got the mask effect and they look like wolves, but they're also like werewolves. They are born fully coated, so very fluffy little kittens, and at about 5 to 7 days they start to molt and they lose their baby coat.
另外，也有同款罕见的毛毛鸟，也是规身躯白色的，一出场就吸引全场眼光的德摩普斯鸟，真真正正结果，互大家会鸟萝卜就一直出现爱心。公司新闻感文编译。